Distraction is the new slavery. Guys, yung paulit-ulit na pag-scroll mo araw-araw, yun ang nagpapahirap sa'yo. Imagine, ilang oras sa isang araw, binubuhos mo yung oras mo sa pag-scroll everyday sa lahat ng social media platforms. Imagine, may TikTok, may Facebook, may IG, and may YouTube, ang dami. You keep on scrolling, you keep on watching, you keep on paying attention sa lahat ng iba't ibang nangyayari sa iba't ibang tao. But you forgot to pay attention to your life. Marami akong kakilala sa social media, di ba? You keep on what? Making yourself look good. You keep on making yourself like you're already there, na successful ka na, but in all reality, wala. Basura yung buhay mo. Maraming ganun na sometimes we tend to forget what's the reality. Between the reality and between the world of social media, nakakalimutan mo yung totoong mundo na meron ka.